Hi everyone, welcome back to your English learning channel. In today's video, we're going to learn some useful English sentences for every room in your house. These are simple expressions you can use every day to improve your speaking skills naturally at home. Let's start with the living room. You might say things like, "Let's watch TV in the living room," or "Can you turn on the fan, please?" If you're relaxing, you could say, "I'm sitting on the couch," or "The remote is on the table." These are everyday actions we do without even thinking, but saying them in English helps you learn faster. Now let's move to the kitchen. Common sentences include, "I'm cooking dinner," "The rice is boiling," or "Where is the spoon?" When you're helping out, you might say, "Please wash the vegetables," or "Don't forget to turn off the gas." You can also say, "I need to clean the kitchen," when you're done. In the bedroom, you'll often use phrases like, "I'm going to bed," "The bed is so comfortable," or "Close the window, it's cold." You might say, "Where's my pillow?" Or "I need to change the bedsheet." At night, you might say, "I'm setting the alarm for 6 a.m. Let's go to the bathroom." Some useful sentences are, "I'm taking a shower," "Don't forget to brush your teeth," or "The soap is finished." You can also say, "Please hang the towel," or "The water is too hot." If you're in a hurry, you might say, "I'll be ready in 10 minutes." If you have kids, the children's room is another great place to practice English. Try saying, "Let's clean up the toys," "It's time to do your homework," or "Keep your books on the shelf." You might say, "Stop jumping on the bed," or "Do you want to read a story?" In the laundry room, you can say things like, "I need to do the laundry," "The washing machine is running," or "Where are the clean clothes?" You might also say, "Let's fold the clothes," or "Can you iron this shirt?" Finally, at the entrance or hallway, some useful sentences are, "Take off your shoes," "I'm hanging my coat," or "Who's at the door?" You can also say, "Let's keep the hallway clean," and of course, don't forget your keys. Learning these simple, daily English sentences and using them at home will help you become more fluent and confident. It's one of the best ways to practice naturally. Just speak about what you're already doing in English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below, which room do you spend the most time in? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.